Here comes our next question. Permanent settlement, the system of revenue collection, was introduced in India by? It was introduced by Lord Cornwallis. The option is correct here. Who was the first woman president of Congress? First woman president of Congress was Mrs. Annie Besant. The Simon Commission, which came to India in February 1928, was boycotted because all its members were Englishmen. A option is correct here. Who was the chairman of Partition Council? So the chairman of Partition Council was Lord Mountbatten. The option is correct here. Next question. Gandhi's inspiration for civil disobedience come from the writing of Henry David Thoreau. A option is correct here. Next question. The idea of Pakistan was first convinced by, so it was convinced by Muhammad Iqbal. A option is correct here. After the Bardoli Satyagraha, the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel was given by Mahatma Gandhi. C option is correct here. Shati was abolished by William Bentinck. D option is correct here. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was called as Mahatma by Rabindranath Tagore. D option is correct here. The Muhammad Madan Anglo-Oriental College later became the Aligarh Muslim University. The option is correct here. Purna Swaraj means complete independence was declared to be the goal of the Indian National Congress in its session of Lahore session 1929. The option is correct here. Who was the author of the book My Experiments with Truth? So the author of this book is Mahatma Gandhi. C option is correct here. The immortal national song Bande Mataram was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. C option is correct here. The Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College at Aligarh was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. The option is correct here. Who among the following is generally regarded as the pioneer of local self-government in modern India? So the person was Ripan. A option is correct here. Which one of the following was not a French settlement in India? The thing that was not a French settlement in India was Goa. C option is correct here. Next question. Gandhiji considered khadi as a symbol of economic independence. The option is correct here. India Wins Freedom is the autobiography of Abul Kalam Azad. Gandhi wanted to realize truth through ahimsa means non-violence. A option is correct here. Next question. The Round Table Conference at London met for the discussion of a future administration of India. The option is correct here. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was equated with Bismarck. The option is correct here. For which community were seats reserved by the Morley Minto reform? So Morley Minto reform reserved seats for Muslims. B option is correct here. Next question. In Gandhian socialism, a state is not required. B option is correct here. The Marathas were defeated at Panipat because the Marathas were not equal to Afghans in strength. B option is correct here. Which day was declared as the Direct Action Day by the Muslim League? So the Direct Action Day was declared on the 16th of August 1946. B option is correct here. When was Mahatma Gandhi arrested during the Quit India movement of 1942? So he was arrested on 9th of August 1942. C option is correct here. Next question. Gandhiji believed that means justify, and B option is correct here. Next question. With which movement the following are associated? So there are name of people and the name of movement. So the people are associated with these movement are Vinoba Bhave is associated with Bhudan movement. Medha Patkar is associated with Narmada Bachao movement. Sundar Lal Bahuguna is associated with Chipko movement. And Jaiprakash Narayan is associated with Sampurna Kranti movement. B option is correct here. Next question. The province of Bengal was partitioned into two parts in 1905 by Lord Curzon. The option is correct here. The Home Rule League was started by B.G. Tilak. The Simon Commission was boycotted by Indians because It was an all-vote commission without Indian representation. C option is correct here. The founder of Brahma Samaj was Raja Ram Mohan Rai. C option is correct here. The correct chronological order in which the British established their trading center in places mentioned below is, so the correct order is, first will come Surat, then Madras, then Bombay and then Calcutta. C option is correct here. Next question. The revolt of 1857 was started by the sepoys. A option is correct here. Next question. After leaving the Congress, Subhash Chandra Bose formed in 1939 his own party named. The name of his party was Forward Bloc. C option is correct here. Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the epithet of Lokmanya during Home Rule movement. B option is correct here. Do or die, karenge ya marenge. Gandhi ji gave this mantra to the nation on the eve of which march movement? So the eve of movement was the Quit India movement. C option is correct here. Next question. Which of the following was established by B.R. Ambedkar? So the thing that was established by B.R. Ambedkar was All India Scheduled Caste Federation. C option is correct here. Who was in favor of partyless democracy? The person who was in favor of partyless democracy was J. Prakash Narayan. A option is correct here. Provincial autonomy was introduced in India by Government of India Act 1935. Who was the first Indian governor? So the first Indian governor was C. Rajgopalachari. B option is correct here. In which state was the first non-Congress government set up in independent India? So the state was Kerala. November 26, 1949 is a significant day in our constitutional history because the constitution was adopted on this day. B option is correct here. Next question. The first General Secretary of Indian National Congress was A.O. Hume. B option is correct here. Raja Ram Mohan Roy organized a historic agitation against the evil custom of Shati. B option is correct here. Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our place. This was stated on the night of August 14, 1947 by, so it was stated by Jawaharlal Nehru. C option is correct here. Next question. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? So the person who is known as Grand Old Man of India, the name of the person is Dadabhai Naoroji. Which of the following can be considered as the most useful and outstanding reforms made by Lord Curzon, especially in respect of the people living in undivided province of Punjab? So it was the agricultural reform. The option is correct here. Diarchy was introduced in the Government of India. It was introduced on 1919. B option is correct here. The transfer of government from the company to the crown was pronounced by Lord Canning at, so it was pronounced by Lord Canning at Allahabad. The option is correct here. The Indian National Congress and the Muslim League came closer to each other in 1916 at Lucknow. C option is correct here. Permanent revenue settlement of Bengal was introduced by Cornwallis. The option is correct here. Which is the oldest trade union organization in India? So the oldest trade union organization of India is All India Trade Union Congress, AITUC. C option is correct here. Next question. Sarvodaya stand for Uplift Men of All. C option is correct here. Who among the following made it possible for the Indians to enter the Indian civil service through an open competitive examination? So the person was Dalhousie. B option is correct here. In which year Lala Lajpat Rai was deported to Mandalay of organizing the agrarian movement in Punjab? So the year was 1907. Which Governor General had entertained Ranjit Singh with great honor at Ropar? So the Governor General was William Bentinck. B option is correct here. The Arya Samaj was founded by Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad started an Urdu weekly, the Al Hilal, in 1912, but on its being banned by the government, he founded it Al Balagh in, so he founded it in the year 1915. C option is correct here. Next question. High Court High courts were established in Calcutta, Bombay, and Madras in the year 1861. The option is correct here. Who was the first woman president of Indian National Congress? First woman president of Indian National Congress is Annie Besant. Which of the following reform movements was the first to be started in 19th century? So the movement was Brahmo Samaj. The option is correct here. Who was the president of Indian National Congress when the Mountbatten Plan of Independence was accepted? So the president was Acharya J.B. Kripalani. The option is correct here. Who developed the idea that means justify the ends? So the idea was developed by Mahatma Gandhi. The option is correct here. Who said that the real seat of test is not the tongue but the mind? The person who said this was Mahatma Gandhi. Who was the Governor General of India during the revolt of 1857? So the Governor General was Lord Canning. The option is correct here. When Mahatma Gandhi was assassinated, who said none will believe that a man like this in body and soul ever walked on this earth? So it was said by Albert Einstein. The option is correct here. The cabinet mission came to India in the year of 1946. The option is correct here. The first to come and last to leave India were. The first to come and last to leave India were Portuguese. A option is correct here. Who was the first Muslim president of Indian National Congress? First Muslim president of Indian National Congress is Badruddin Tayyabji. B option is correct here. The administrative consequence of revolt of 1857 was transfer of power from. So it was transfer of power from East India Company to the British Crown. A option is correct here. Next question. The issue on which the civil disobedience movement of 1930 was launched was. So it was salt monopoly exercised by the British government. C option is correct here. Next question. Who was the last Governor General of India? Last Governor General of India was C. Rajgopalachari. Which directive principle bears the direct impact of Gandhi's moral philosophy? So it was prohibition of the slaughter of cows. The option is correct here. Who represented India in the second round table conference? So it was represented by Sarojini Naidu.